Lijiang Waterfall Hotel Guilin. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Lijiang Waterfall Hotel Guilin. Steps from beautiful Xiangbi Hill. Lijiang Waterfall Hotel Guilin is a landmark itself. Its Guinness record-making artificial waterfall performs every night. This classic hotel offers an indoor swimming pool, fitness facilities and free airport pickup service. Guests can take in Guilin's natural beauty while enjoying the hotel's city center location. Room was well appointed and comfortable. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. A very comfortable and spacious room, great location. Very close to twin pagodas. In city center. Great facilities. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.